So in this particular instance, I have a model where I have multiple subtools and I'd like to turn on or off the visibility of any given one. The eye icon outside on each subtool will actually determine this, but you'll notice that if I have his body selected, for example, and I turn the eye icon off, that his body has not disappeared. This is because this is still the currently selected subtool. So any subtool that is selected will always be visible. If I now change to another subtool, you'll notice that because the eye icon is off on the body will disappear. If I turn it off on this subtool, because this is the currently active one, it will remain. But as soon as I change to something else, these cuffs that are on his arm will disappear. If you want all of the icons to turn on or off, or all of the models to change visibility, you simply hold down Shift and click on one and it will toggle them all off. It will always maintain the currently selected one. You'll always see that because it must show one subtool. But again, if we hold down Shift and click on this again, you'll toggle them all back on again. So Shift and click to toggle them on, all on or off. And if you want another subtool turned off, you can do that while you're not on that subtool. Just don't be surprised to see it there if you have it currently selected. Hope these tips help, and do subscribe if you find them useful. Alright, bye.